Hello everyone, warm welcome back to my channel. Yaje here, excited to share with you another gardening video. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to save seeds of the amaranth vegetable. You can use this technique to save the seeds of any vegetable in that amaranth family, but specifically I will show you how to save the seeds of the African green, also known as Tete.
So we have many types of vegetables from this amaranth family in Africa. Some of them are known as Tete, and then we have Shoko, we have Alejo. They're all amaranths, and you can use the same method to collect the seeds. Now, amaranths are wind pollinated and can cross-pollinate with other varieties of amaranth. So if you have different types of amaranths growing in your garden, know that if you allow them to flower, they will cross-pollinate with one another. So if you want to maintain the purity of your seeds, what you want to do is isolate the different types of amaranths. Give them around at least 500 feet, or you can cover the flowers with like bags to prevent unwanted cross-pollination. That is if you're interested in maintaining the purity of the seeds. What I do is I let them mature at different times. That way I don't even need to worry about them cross-pollinating.
Make sure you watch the video right to the end so you don't miss out on any important step. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to choose ripe amaranth plants that have finished flowering. You look for the plants with dried flowers and seed heads. The seeds ripen about 3 months after planting. Usually, this happens in mid to late summer, but it depends on your climate and when you planted. It is important to choose flower heads with ripe seeds to ensure viability for future planting seasons. Step number 2, you have to cut the seed heads off the plant using sharp, clean scissors, or you can use pruning shears. Be sure to do this over a clean container, a clean dry container, to collect the loose seeds.
Step number 3, we are now gonna allow the flower heads to completely dry so that we can easily remove the seeds. What I do is I go put this bucket in my garage. You can spread them out. In my garage, it's dry, it's cool, it's dark. It's gonna take about a week for the flower heads to dry up completely before we proceed with the next step. So once our flower heads are dry, it's now time to extract the seeds and then clean the seeds by removing the debris or chaff so that we are left with our seeds. I do use the help of a colander and a sieve to help me out with this process. If you are enjoying or learning from this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, that will mean a lot to me if you subscribe. That helps me grow the channel and get my mission to many more people, which is to inspire people to tell the world about our wonderful African vegetables and teach people how to grow them in the diaspora. Thank you very much. Now, after I'm done removing the debris or chaff using the colander or the fine mesh sieve, I still have some extra stuff left in there with the seeds. Now, if you want to clean the seeds further, you can use the winnowing method, which just means that you use the air from your mouth, your breath, to blow away the lightweight stuff, and then you'll be left with your seeds. You can also use a fan to do that, to help you do that. Then your seeds will be ready for storage. You want to make sure they're completely dry. You transfer the seeds into a clean, dry glass jar or airtight container. seal it tightly to prevent any moisture from getting inside. Now, if you store your amaranth seeds this way, they should last for about 5 to 7 years. That means they should remain viable for that long. Just be sure not to store your seeds near anything like your heater, maybe your oven, maybe a dishwasher, anywhere where there is heat, because that heat might reduce the shelf life of your seeds. Congratulations! You've successfully saved your amaranth seeds. Now you can grow your own amaranth plants or share them with others who appreciate their nutritional value. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy seed saving. Bye everyone.